How can we offer hope of food security and produce food for 9 billion persons in the face of climate change and its potentially devastating effects for our planet? The United Nations just reported that 90% of disasters result from flooding, drought, or other weather-related events. We can offer hope by keeping our head in the sand. December 4th is World Soil Day. 2015 is the International Year of Soils. Understanding and managing our soil organic matter brings hope. The sad part of this story is that we have lost 50% or more of our organic matter in our soils worldwide because we have not appreciated its importance. Some of the increased carbon in the atmosphere results from not managing our soil organic matter well. To keep perspective, there is twice as much carbon in our topsoil as there is in the atmosphere, and almost as much carbon in the vegetation. The hope is in understanding how important our soil organic matter is for providing food and vegetation, oxygen for us to breathe, and water for humans, plants, and animals. We are learning to keep our head in the sand. So let's begin with water. In the water cycle, water evaporates from oceans and lakes, and some of it is deposited over land. Organic matter allows the water to go into the soil rather than simply running over it, taking soil with it into lakes and streams. Soil with active organic matter does three things. It holds soil particles, allowing water to go through the soil pores created by roots and soil animals. It holds soil particles, preventing them from being washed away or even blocking the soil pores. And it increases the ability of the soil to hold water. What can we do to increase our soil organic matter? Here we have a soil that has low organic matter for three reasons. First, this area doesn't get much precipitation, so vegetation doesn't grow well naturally any time of year. Secondly, there's not many nutrients in this soil, which means that even if we do get precipitation, plants can't thrive. And thirdly, the soil is relatively young, which means that the organic matter has not yet had time to accumulate. There are two things to do. We can add organic matter so that when it rains, the soil will hold more water. Secondly, we need to add nutrients so that when plants have enough water, they can grow. So how do we do this? Some suggest that we bring in animals to create manure, which provides both nutrients and organic matter. We can also import the manure or other organic matter, such as compost, to provide both nutrients and organic matter. Now, if we have water, we can expect plants to grow, and when plants grow, they allow water to infiltrate into the soil better and to be held by the soil, preventing the loss of valuable carbon through erosion. The plants grow and put carbon into the soil, bringing a positive cycle of restoration. We may need to keep adding organic matter and nutrients for a time to allow the soil organic matter content to increase. This is part of a circular bioeconomy. We take our organic waste, which in part are produced from food harvested here and sent to urban centers. The organic waste needs to be returned to this soil to provide nutrients and organic matter, so that this soil can thrive and participate in mitigating the effects of climate change. This also potentially reduces weather-related disasters and builds food security. This is something that we can all participate in and be proud of. We are called to be good stewards of our world and of our soil. It's the International Year of Soils, so let's keep our head in the sand, learn and restore our organic matter. My name is John Paul. I'm a soil scientist and professional agrologist. Thank you.